Welcome back, guys. In this video, we're focusing on what is called prototyping. So I went ahead to download another template just to fast track this video for you to be able to understand what prototyping in Figma really is. So we'll just go ahead and look at how the template looks like. First of all, then there's the header, and I'm just going to locate the header. Yes, this is the home. So below the home is the menu, and under the menu you can see all the header and all its elements located here. So basically I will just click prototype and click interaction and add something, which is a click. Then I will drag it to the next page. Because if someone clicks the blog, it should navigate to the blog page. Then I'm going to use smart animate. There are a lot of options here on functionality or properties, but I'm just going to use navigate for now. This is the basic prototyping, and there are further features such as auto fill on a text element and also scrolling and what have you. So then this is our blog page. Then I'm going to link our home in the menu back to the home page. I'll just click plus and I'll drag to the home page, even without clicking plus there. Once you go over the elements the layer you selected, you see plus on the left and right side, and you can click and drag to whichever frame you want it to navigate to once it's been clicked. So in the blog page, I want when someone clicks that image, so blog posts, yes, when someone clicks this image or read more, it should drag the person. Yes, read more button. Okay, that's not working. So where is this read more button? Yes, I'll just drag it. Once someone clicks the image or that space entirely, it should move to the post description and details page. Yes, which is the blog details. Yes. So on this place, I'll still link the home back to the home page. This is quite simple, but it will take you some time to get used to. So I'll just drag it back to the home page. So that once I click the home button from there, it takes me to the home page. Then I also drag the blog back to the blog page. This is useful when you're trying to send a basic high fidelity design for your clients to see or the developers to see how you want the interactions to be. This is very useful for UI and UX teams whenever they're interacting with the clients or the developers. So here's our preview. So the preview, I will just click the home. The preview started with the blog details. So once I click the home, it takes us to our home. It's a nice transition. Mind you, you can play around with the transitions to get what you want. When I click the blog, it takes us to the blog page. And once I click the blog details, it takes us straight right to the blog details page. Yes, this is very, very clean. Just pause this video, play around with the transitions, and see you in the next one.